How to get refund on Mulebuy. So first of all, go ahead to your Mulebuy, and then from here what you'll have to do is go to account section at the bottom right. So once you're in there, you'll have to like key. From here you'll go to your cart or towards the order section from your profile. So you'll simply go to your cart where you can find your products or order you have made. So in order to cancel your order, or you need the refund, you'll have to simply go ahead and cancel the order. So if you cancel the order, if your order is on pending stays, then your order will be refunded immediately. If it is in order processing stage, then you can cancel it, and your amount will be refunded within 1 working day. Or if your order is already purchased or it is already paid, then you'll get refund after 3 days. So that's how you do it. So that's how it works in Mulebuy. Or if you have already paid and your order is complete, or your order is yet to be received but your order is complete, then you'll have to contact to the seller directly through the page. And that's how you get refund in Mulebuy. Hopefully the information was helpful. Thank you.